Hey guys, it's Rocco from Loud Film Reptiles, here again doing a reptile unboxing video. It's really nothing much, just two baby tortoises. And so yeah, let's get to unboxing. So I got two baby sulcata tortoises. I really like sulcata tortoises because, you know, the spiky prehistoric look to them. I like the color of them. I like the pattern of their shell. It's just these amaze me too much. So I had to get two actually. It was a good deal. So let me just show you guys this one's back. This one's back actually. It's pretty cool. Look at the scoots on that. Cuts right in half on that top scoot. Isn't that crazy? Just like that spiky shield that they have for protection. This one's cool too. Just a normal back. But thanks for watching. Make sure to go subscribe, like, and comment, and share, and turn that notification button on for more videos like this. Go watch those other reptile unboxing videos and expo pickups that I have on my channel. Thanks.